cinnamon down. Try not to make any emotions. Hope I don't cry. Son of a bitch.
Oh, you got it. I think we got a winner here. There's a... You got it. I think you should just do it, spit it out in the toilet instead of the sink so you don't have to mess everything up. Oh, you got it. Drink some water.
This shit is thick.
I can't do that. I want to do it. I'm going to do it. Next.
You
Again.
don't have any more cinnamon.
I don't? You lying.
I
Swear.
Oh my god.
Talk, Adrian, talk.
Oh, that shit burned. Success.
Yeah, he got it, I guess. Okay, we're done.